A spot check in maize farm at Bungoma County, which have been invaded by armyworms, either of the two types, fall armyworm, African armyworm, on 1st Tuesday, November. Fall armyworm is an insect pest with moths as the adult stage and larvae as the destructive stage during the growing generation of maize at the maize plantation. In Kenya, the pest was first reported in March 2017 in western region, which includes Bungoma, Busia, Lurambi, and Kakamega. The pests have known to be attack the maize fields, sorghum, and napier grass. Fall armyworm can lay up to 2,000 eggs, which affects maize growth in all stages. According to experts, prolonged dry spells provide a conducive environment for the moth to lie and hatch eggs, and which develop into larvae that feed on crops. However, the pest has 4 main stages of development, which includes the egg, the larvae, the pupa, and the adult. Besides, the adult moths lay eggs in batches on the host plant, and white egg masses are normally covered with wool or a cotton-like on the batches on the plant. Besides the stages, there are 2 indicators in which farmers know whether a crop has the fall armyworm attack, and this includes scouting in crop field, which involves walking in a systematic pattern looking for damaged crop or egg weekly, and starting from crop emergence stage to the flowering stage. And there is use of pheromone traps, which involves laying pheromone traps in order to attract the male moths. Fall armyworms has damage symptoms on the host plants, and these include presence of transparent window-like paint damages, which initially appear as scratch marks on the leaf, and there is large, ragged, and elongated holes on leaves, which leads to a shredded appearance of maize while in the field, which have been attacked by the fall armyworms. And besides these, there are measures and control to be taken by farmers, and which are as follows. First, there is cultural control, which involves farmers advised to plant maize at the onset of rain in order to avoid fall armyworm attacks on maize crops while in the field. Farmers are also advised to ensure maize fields are free from weeds, and also to apply intercropping methods, which involves intercropping with leguminous crops in the fields. And lastly, there is biological control, which involves conserving natural enemies of fall armyworms such as lacewings, leadbird, which feeds on eggs and larvae, and use of insecticides, which involves spraying insecticides late evening or very early in the morning while the moth is active in order to kill them. Alternate chemical molecules with different modes of action, and this is to avoid the development of resistance to pesticides. In conclusion, intercropping maize with nectar-producing plants can reduce the fall armyworms, since nectar can provide food and shelter to the fall armyworms and increase efficiency in controlling pest populations in the maize fields. Shiro Nafula, Kibu TV, Kibabi University.